Welcome, Alberic. Because Alberic, you are managing e-reputation and you signed off major contracts with insurance companies. So the insurance guys are jumping into it. So I thought the banking and the insurance was just far away from e-technologies and they would never step into this area. But apparently they're moving pretty fast and they got it, actually. There's something around managing our own reputation. There are things you want to be visible, but you have things that you definitely don't want to be that visible on the net. So how do you handle that? How does it work?
Okay. Yes, indeed, insurance companies and everybody actually is picking up the issue of online reputation management because it concerns all of us. It doesn't concern only stars, as you said, but it concerns really from the local restaurant down the street to politicians, indeed, international lawyers. Everybody has to take care of his or her reputation. There is a quote that I picked up on the internet from some poet. I don't know much about his poetry, but I found the quote interesting. It says, the worst thing that can happen to a man is to lose his health. The next worst thing is to lose his money. And the next worst is to lose his reputation. So, of course, reputation is very valuable, and you need not only to develop it, which is what internet can provide you with. I mean, you go on LinkedIn, you go on all kinds of networks, and you are developing your network, you are developing your reputation, and you benefit from it. But you also need to protect it. So that's where we come into place with this insurance, which is a world premiere, actually, with Swiss Life. And we cover regular people's reputations, which means that for 9.9 euros a month, you can insure your family from defamation, identity theft, that kind of things.
Okay. So are you basically extending to anybody right now, or do you have specific targets where you work out the risk, actually, the potential risk, and how does it work, really?
Okay, we for the moment with this online reputation insurance, we cover everyday people, which means that we cover up to so many euros of our work.
Right.
We are not only a technology company, we do try to innovate, and we'll talk about it later, but we also are a company that provides services, and that's what we do in this case. When someone's reputation is being hurt, we act on the internet to correct this situation, which means that we have a legal department that can erase, get deleted information on the internet, and we also have people that create and get results listed on Google, for instance, so that your reputation is safe. Because basically, right now, your reputation depends a lot on Google and your search page results.
Yeah, okay. You said innovation, so what's in the pipe?
Yeah, so what's in the pipe, actually, everybody here is presenting technologies or products they want to be able to sell or deliver in 5 years. Well, what we are showing is something we sure don't want to sell. We are not very proud of it. We are not very proud of it. It's not a technology we want to sell. It's not something we want to happen, but we are afraid it may happen, and it's already happening, actually, because we do have lots of clients that come to us and say, okay, I've been refused this bank loan, for instance, because on the internet my ex-wife said so and so about me. So I want to correct this situation because my banker is actually Googling me and finding information about me, which is putting me at risk. So what we came up with, and that you can try downstairs, you can test your own online reputation.
I encourage you to go on the area where Reputation Squad is. Actually, you can test your own reputation. You will be amazed. I truly tell you.
You can register, and you'll be getting a reputation card. So this reputation card has been picking up information about you on the internet, private data, or what you thought was private data, and which is becoming more and more public. And we are gathering all this information to give you a score. Of course, in the future, that's what insurance companies, bank companies, everybody could do a date. Are you marriage material or are you just a one-night affair? Well, your reputation card could tell your date what you should become. And this is really what's happening already today.
And you're absolutely right. This is scary, but this is happening, so we need to manage that now. Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Caroline.
Aymeric.